Introducing our Bolo cookie cake. The ingredients are 220 grams cake flour, 60 grams butter, 100 grams sugar, 5½ tablespoon oil, egg white, sliced almonds, dash of powdered sugar, dash of cinnamon. Whip the butter with a blender until it becomes whitish. Add the sugar in portions of half at a time and mix well. Gradually add the oil and continue mixing the batter thoroughly. Sift the flour with a spatula until there are no more clumps. Be careful not to make the batter too sticky. Divide the batter into 16 equal parts. Round into clumps and make a shallow dent in the center of each clump. Arrange the batter in the metal tray covered with cooking sheet. Brush them with egg white and top each with 2 or 3 sliced almonds. Remove the ceramic tray. Press oven 1 level 170 degrees Celsius. 18 to 22 minutes. Preheat yes to preheat. After preheat is done, insert the metal tray into the middle rack to bake. When baking is done, combine the powdered sugar and cinnamon. Sprinkle them on top of the cakes while they are still hot.